Hi everyone, my name's Danielle and welcome to Board Game Bakes. This week's featured game is Jabuka. In Jabuka, you spin tiles and flip tiles in order to form words, and it's inspired by spinning around coffee beans. So we're going to make a Kahlua Espresso cookie that's decorated to look like the pieces. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. You can find them in the video description below. To begin making our Kahlua Espresso cookies, add 2 sticks of unsalted butter, a half a cup granulated sugar, and a 1/3 cup of dark brown sugar in a bowl. Turn your mixer on low and mix until creamed together. While that's mixing, save some time and combine your 3 cups of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a 1/4 cup of espresso powder in a bowl and mix. Beware, these cookies definitely pack a coffee punch. Usually when you use espresso powder in recipes, it's like a 1/4 teaspoon, but this is a 1/4 cup. So help get rid of that espresso powder before it goes bad. Once your butter and sugar mixture is nice and creamy, add 1 egg and 1 ounce of Kahlua and mix until combined. Slowly add your dry ingredients and mix until fully incorporated. Now take a chunk of that dough and set it aside, and you're going to use that to represent the wild card pieces in the game. Take the rest of the dough and add black and brown food coloring until you get that deep dark brown color of the game pieces. Put the dough in the fridge or freezer for at least 15 minutes to make it easier to roll out the dough. Time to bake our cookies. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Roll your dough to a 1/4 inch thickness. I used a cookie maker kit to just make an oval that matches the shape of the game pieces, but if you don't have that, you could just trace a cutout. Place the cookies that you've cut out onto a cookie sheet, and you want them at least 1 inch apart in case they spread. Once on the tray, I think it's best to put them in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes, and this will also help prevent them from spreading in the oven. Once you've removed your cookies from the freezer, you want to bake them for 5 to 6 minutes immediately after they come out. Decorating time, decorating time. Decorating the cookies is nice and easy. You need a white and a yellow royal icing with a thick consistency. I was lucky and experimented with freezing royal icing, and it worked! I was able to use it for these cookies, and it saved me a lot of time. And also it avoided throwing out the icing before. Use the game pieces for reference and decorate the cookies yellow, which are the ones that can be twisted in the game, and white, which are non-twistable. When you play the game, there are also pieces that are not flipped over, so select some cookies and outline them to look like a coffee bean. This should also be done with the lighter colored wild beans because they don't have any letters on them. Now you have your own beans to play with and enjoy, or just eat. Thanks for watching another episode of Board Game Bakes. If you enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe, and there'll be new videos out every Tuesday at 12 p.m. EST. What's your favorite coffee drink? I'm a fan of a good caramel macchiato. Comment below and let me know what's your favorite drink. Keep playing games and keep them sweet. Bye!